If you want to change your region settings in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to update the search region so Google shows results for the country you want. This is really useful if you want more relevant local search results, different news, or region-specific content. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to google.com in the address bar and load the Google homepage. On the homepage, look just below the search bar and click on Settings. This will open a small menu with different Google options. From there, click on Search Settings. This takes you to the main Google Search Settings page where you can adjust how Google behaves and what kind of results you see. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Other Settings. This section contains additional preferences, including language and region controls. Next, click on Language and Region. Here, you'll find the settings that control what region Google uses for search results. Now click on Results Region. This is the option that lets you choose a specific country for your search results. After that, search for the country you want to use. You can type the name of the country directly into the search box to make it easier to find. Once the correct country appears, select it from the list, then click Confirm to save your changes. That's it. Your Google Chrome search region has now been updated. You should start seeing search results that are more relevant to the region you selected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech guide like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.